Credit card points. Are they worth it? Or are you falling into a spending trap? Today, I will reveal tips to maximize the credit card points and what are the downsides of it and how to effectively make them work for you without falling into the debt spiral. What are credit card points? Credit card points are rewards you earn by using your credit card for everyday spending. Depending on the card, you can redeem these points for travel, cashback, gift cards, or luxury items. But here's the catch, you need a strategy to benefit from them. The real question is, are you using them to their full potential? Let me show you how to do just that. Pros of using credit card points. It helps to build credit history to establish and improve credit score, which is essential for mortgage and future loans. It also provides immediate access to credit in emergencies, ensuring financial flexibility when you need it most. Do a little bit research before finalizing your credit cards based on your requirements. If you are a frequent traveler, then look for cards offering comparatively travel incentives. Or if you want to reduce monthly buying bill, then prefer credit cards offering cashback. I'm personally using Barclays and Amex credit cards that serve me for the travel and cashback. Tips to maximize credit card points. Pair multiple cards for maximum rewards. Use different credit cards for specific spending categories. For example, one card might offer higher points on dining, while another gives better travel rewards. Strategically pair these cards to optimize points earned. Leverage shopping portals. Many credit card companies have online shopping portals that let you earn extra points when you shop through their platform. This can multiply your points on regular purchases, stack promotions, and offers. Combine credit card rewards with other promotions like retailer discounts, cashback apps, or loyalty programs. For example, use your card's points earning benefits on top of a store's sale or double points day. Redeem during special promotions. Some credit card companies offer bonus value during promotional periods. For instance, 25 to 50% more value for travel redemptions or partnerships with select merchants. Stay updated on these offers. Use points to offset big expenses. If you're planning a large purchase, time it with point earning opportunities like sign-up bonuses or special category rewards. Then use the points earned to offset travel or other significant costs. Track expiring points. Keep a close eye on expiration dates for your points. Set calendar reminders or use apps like Avoid Wallet to ensure you don't lose valuable rewards. Upgrade travel experiences. Use points for flight upgrades, lounge access, or better hotel rooms. These perks can significantly enhance your travel without extra spending. Transfer points to partner programs. Some credit cards allow you to transfer points to airline or hotel loyalty programs, often at 1-to-1 ratio. This can unlock higher value redemptions than using points directly through the credit cards portal. Maximize sign-up bonuses. Apply for a new credit card when you have a planned expenses like home renovations or travel bookings to easily meet the minimum spending requirements for a hefty sign-up bonus. Set your monthly bills on autopay with credit cards. Earn points passively by paying recurring bills like utilities, subscriptions, or insurance premiums with your credit cards. Just ensure you pay off the balance in full each month. Use points for family trips. Plan family vacations using credit card points to cover airfare, hotel stays, and even car rentals. This is especially helpful for reducing costs for large groups. Combine points with travel rewards partners. Many programs let you pool points with family members or transfer them to a partner's account. This can help you redeem larger rewards faster. Keep an eye on point multipliers. Check if your card offers temporary point multipliers on specific categories like holiday shoppings, dining, or fuel. Take advantage of these boosts during promotional periods. Redeem for statement credits or loan payments. Some credit cards allow you to redeem points as statement credits, which can directly reduce your balance. Others even allow you to apply points towards loan payments like mortgage or car loans. Use cards abroad with no foreign transaction fees. Travel credit cards often waive foreign transaction fees and offer better exchange rates. Use these cards internationally to save money while earning points. Avoid these common mistakes. Let's talk about the downsides because credit card points are not always sunshine and rainbows. Temptation to overspend. Cards entice you to spend more for those extra points, but overspending can lead to debt. High annual fees. Premium cards with the best rewards often come with hefty annual fees, sometimes over $500. Complex redemption rules. Points may have blackout dates, restrictions, or low redemption values, especially if you're not strategic. Interest rates. If you don't pay off your balance in full, the interest you pay can easily outweigh any rewards you earn. In conclusion, credit card points can unlock incredible value, whether it is free travel, cashback, or exclusive perks. The key is to be strategic. Choose the right credit card, track your spending, and always redeem for maximum value. If you have learned something new today, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel.